you are wanting to know about FCP Euro's lifetime replacement guarantee and does it apply to oil and oil change kits and so on and so forth. Yes, it does. If you're new to the whole thing, I would suggest reading their FAQs because it's pretty good. Is it real? Yes, it's real. Does it include every part they sell? Yep. Even consumable items like those listed. The exceptions they list here, like aerosol spray cleaners, like there would be no way you could return the contents of that can to them once it's out of the can, type of a deal. But the one you should probably pay attention to here is, can I return parts that were purchased elsewhere? No, you can't. The fact that they even have to list this on here, it's sad, but don't go try scamming them, returning stuff to them that you didn't get from them. That's crazy. Read through this if you are unfamiliar with the process, but trust me, it works. I've done it several times. I'm going to walk you through it. So here, back in good old January 2021, I bought a couple oil change kits. This one's for my wife's X3. This one here is for my X5. We'll look at this one. This is 5 liters of BMW oil and a BMW oil filter. I paid $65.29 for it, yada yada. Bought this kit, changed the oil. The oil that I drained out and the oil filter I took out did not come from FCP Euro. They came from some overpriced dealership in Vegas. That stuff is not returnable, okay? This stuff that I'm putting in the car will be when I take it out. So let's fast forward to October. October 4th, I buy another oil change kit, the exact same one, 5 more liters of oil and another BMW oil filter. This is the kit that's going to now let me return the first kit for a full refund. I do have to pay shipping to send the stuff back, but if you're using Pirate Ship, not sponsored, or if you're just going through UPS, it's fairly reasonable. I'm in Illinois. I can send this stuff back to these guys are in Connecticut. I can send all this stuff back to them for usually under $15 for the box. And that's pretty reasonable. So that means that I will get the full $65, $66 back when they receive the old stuff. And I've only paid now $15 for a change of oil. And I'm going to walk you now through how exactly to get this done.
You know what that is.
Mm-hmm. With the new? What do you think of me? Satan? There we go. Relax, everyone. Now, put the oil filter, the 2 rubber seals, and the copper seal that goes on the drain plug. Put it all back in this guy, back in the OG box, and button it up. And don't worry, I'm going to put it in a plastic bag so we don't get schmoo all over our shipping. Don't destroy the bags, folks, because you're going to want to reuse them. Glub, glub. Glub, glub. Remember, don't throw away that oil. Money in the bank. Now, seal up all your caps tight, put them back in the bag it came in, and zip tie. Then, in your second bag, take your second bag, bag up the first bag, and then I put the oil filter inside the top of the second bag, depending on the shape and size of box you have. To get it all fit. And there you go. 5 quarts of oil, 1 oil filter, everything bagged. Now, back to the computer. Alright, with all that jazz out of the way, here's what you're going to do next. You're going to click on Help Me. You're going to do Begin a Return. You are going to do a lifetime guarantee replacement. We're not submitting a core, and this is not a return within 90 days. This is a lifetime guarantee. Okay, and now down here, remember I said that one was on January 27th, right? So it's going to say, are you returning this? Yes, I am. You're going to check mark that. The reason, and of course these 2 items here are sub to the kit. Reason, warranty, lifetime replacement. Fills it all in. And now you'll see why you can't just return the first order that you got is because it's asking you, basically, you have to order another part in order to get this part refunded to you. Okay, so now I'm going to go back up to this order here on October 4th, where I ordered my new kit, the one that I just put in my car, and it is order blah 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 blah. So that's what we're going to input down here. And before the more tech savvy of you wonder why I didn't just highlight, copy, and paste that, it's because it won't let you. Okay, so now I've got that filled in, and I'm going to do accept and continue. The VIN, we've got to put the VIN in there. Okay, so now we've got the VIN in there. Let's go ahead and go down to accept and continue. Now we should have a summary of what we're doing here. A lifetime replacement on our oil, lifetime replacement request on the oil filter itself. Okay, and then the only cost you're going to be out here is just shipping it back. And I have found that it is probably cheapest to go with UPS, and that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to print this out, slap a label on there, and send it off in the system.
Make sure you print off your return authorization from FCP Euro, put it in the box.
Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks now since I sent the box back. Had some trouble with the UPS, but that is what it is. We have processed your FCP Euro return, so they got everything back finally. Get my $66 back and some change, and this is what they got, which is what I sent. So the process works pretty easy. I highly suggest if you have a European car, buying your oil change kits from FCP Euro, because you cannot beat changing oil for less than $15 total price. Thanks for watching, and if you got any questions about it, let me know.